Hello friends, good morning. I am Alaska. I want to tell you how to make makram. If you want to learn how to make makram, is comment me. And if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.